PT Reading Connectors. Hi everyone, my name is Drashti Ved and I'm a PT trainer and reading expert here at English Wise. In this video, we are going to cover how to solve questions based on PT Reading Connectors. So let us look at this blank over here. If you look carefully in this passage, there is one sentence where the first word itself is a blank. Now, what happens in most of the cases is you will be filling up a connector over here. Connectors are words like furthermore, moreover, however, although, despite, in spite of, even though, even so, and so on. So how to understand how to solve these kind of questions based on connectors, okay? Now, whenever you have such a question, what I always suggest my students is you have to find out the relation between two sentences. These two sentences that you will be seeing over here is the one that is coming right before the blank. This is your sentence 1, and the one that has the blank itself. So this is sentence 2. You have to find out the relation between sentence 1 and sentence 2. What is the storyline going about? Are they talking about the same thing? Are they giving more examples about the same thing? Or are they talking about something opposite to what is already spoken? Or are they talking about a sequence of events? Based on these relations, you will be finding out what kind of connectors to use. You have major 6 connectors that are generally tested in your PTE exam. You have connectors of addition, where you will be speaking about the same thing and you will be continuing more information about the same thing. For example, she is smart, furthermore, she is hardworking. So over here, I am giving a positive characteristics of a girl and I am continuing the same story. So I will put a connector of addition, example, furthermore. You have connectors of contrast where you talk about the opposite part of the story. So example, she is smart, however, she cheated on the test. Now over here in the first sentence I am talking about something positive and in the second sentence I am talking about something negative. So there is a relation of contrast here, so you will be using such kind of a connector. Or you can have a relation of cause, effect or intent. That means you are giving a reason and you are connecting the result with it. For example, I woke up late this morning, therefore I missed the bus. So over here there is a cause that I woke up late and there is an effect that I missed the bus. And to cover this relation, we will be using a cause, effect or intent connector. Following, you have connectors of time when you want to give a sequence of events like first brush your teeth, then go for a bath. So over here connectors like first and then are used to show the sequence of events between the sentences. Next, you have comparison or similarity. So comparison and similarity when the sentences are giving some comparisons, such as I got 90% whereas you got 80%, or if they are giving a similarity like she sings like a professional. So over here there is either a comparison or a similarity in the connection, so you will be putting such kind of a connector. Lastly, you have connectors of alternative. So connectors like either or, whether or, neither nor. These are the kind of connectors when you have a relation of choices. So suppose in sentence 1 there are certain choices given and in sentence 2 there are different choices given. So you will be using these kind of connectors to fulfill the gap over there. If you found this video interesting, stay tuned for more such videos on PTE reading, and if you have any doubts related to PTE reading, please put them in the comment section below, or if you want me to make videos on any other topic, please put them in the comment section below. My name is Drashti Ved and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Thank you.